Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to mark an appointment booking order as not completed in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log in to your Hostinger account, and click on Websites. Now, next to the websites that you want to mark a booking or an appointment booking order as not completed, click on Manage Store. Now go to Orders, and here next to the completed appointment booking order, to differentiate between the completed orders and not the other ones, here below fulfillment, completed orders marked or shows fulfilled in this green checks. So open the completed order, and to mark it as not completed, click on these three dots next to completed and select mark as not completed. Are you sure you want to mark it as not completed? The customer will not be notified of this change. Mark as not completed. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add-in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Are you sure you want to mark it as not completed? The customer will not be notified of this change. Mark as not completed. And just like this, your order will switch back to not completed in Hostinger. And this is how to mark a completed appointment order on Hostinger as not completed. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.